Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to edit an EXE file so you can modify application resources like icons, text, or images safely. Now let's get started. Step 1. Locate the EXE file on your computer using File Explorer, which is the default file manager in Windows used to browse files and folders. Right-click the file, select Properties, and verify details like file name and location to ensure you are editing the correct program. This step is important to avoid damaging the wrong application file. Step 2. Open your web browser such as Chrome or Edge. Search for RSO Editor, which is a free resource editor tool used to modify EXE file contents. Visit the official website to ensure the download is safe and virus-free. Then download the installer or portable version depending on your preference. This tool allows you to access internal resources of executable files. Step 3. Launch RSO Editor after downloading by opening the installed app or portable file, which will display its editing interface. This interface shows menus and panels where executable resources can be viewed and modified easily. Opening the software correctly ensures you can safely load and edit the EXE file. Step 4. Drag and drop the EXE file into RSO Editor to load its internal resources like icons, dialogues, or version information. Select the specific resource you want to modify and click the Edit option to change text, images, or other elements. This step is useful for customizing how the application appears or behaves. Step 5. Click the Save or Compile button inside the editor to apply your modifications and create the updated EXE file. Saving compiles the changes into the executable so the edits become permanent and usable. Always keep a backup of the original file in case you need to restore it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful guides.